Number series 1, 3, 6, 11, 18. What is the next number? So kunin lang natin kung ano yung ina-add. So we have from 1 naging 3. So ang in-add natin dito ay positive 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Next 3 naging 6. So we have 3 plus 3 that is equal to 6. And then from 6 naging 11. So 6 plus 5 that is equal to 11. And next we have 11 plus 7 that is equal to 18. What is the next number? So common mistake dito, ang nilalagay dito ay plus 9. Pag ginawa kasi natin plus 9, 18 plus 9, the answer is 27, pero 9 ay mali. Dahil hindi even na hindi odd numbers ang ina-add, dahil meron tayong nauna is 2 and then 3, 5, 7. So ang ina-add natin dito ay prime numbers. Okay? So what is the next prime number? 2, 3, 5, 7. Ang next prime number ay 11. So therefore, the correct answer is 18 plus 11. That is equal to 29. So letter C, 29. Follow for more.